going to Siam, transfer. It is 7:05, and as you can see, not too many riders, so it's a good time to travel if you want to use the PTS. And this is the city of Wangyang. I'll show you Thailand and you can see it too. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free and you'll see all of my videos.
In Thailand.
ยินดีให้บริจาค
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kim,
I'm Alex.
and we're going to take you on a walk this morning. We are not tour guides. We just live here, and we like to go out for a walk. So we're going to walk briskly around the loop that you may have already seen on today's meetup. We have only a few expectations, which is that you follow the person in front of you, because no one's going to come around and check on you. If you need to leave, no problem. You don't need to tell us. You can step out. We do not know where any bathrooms are, so you're on your own. And we hope to walk as briskly as the group will allow, which will probably take us around 2 hours.
80, 90 minutes.
Oh, 90 minutes. Sound good? All right. Ready? We'll stop one more time for a photo that is more picturesque than this. Otherwise, we'll walk. Okay? All right, let's go.
Okay. That was a long time ago.
Teacher, so it's very fresh now. Oh, okay. So you have the partnership.
I guess so. I feel like
that's a
they're
feeder
trying
school,
to
right?
they're trying to establish more connections because we don't have a secondary school or
Yeah.
anything to really go into. So pathways to break it. No, I mean it's okay.
She didn't say.
That's why I said okay.
And it was okay. I only did a year there. You know there were money.
But I mean, the top
tour, yes, but that doesn't mean it hasn't
They've
changed.
got one train line.
Never know.
And we got it at night. So we
Spirit of it. Even if they had another overpass.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, must be that. They can't do that on you, I know. Oh yeah. And the and I noticed too some of the Indian and Philippine women in Oman putting on the wheel. Is it called a buyer or something? You can't. Why not?
How you doing?
Good.
Yeah.
Getting warm.
Yeah.
Order something over there.
Power plants.
Many cars? The lights can go around you quite easily.
Yeah. Well, they say had a good crowd at the overpass.
You take the niche and then you move it to the niche of the niche.
You get the beef and you squeeze it.
Oh, looks like a bicycling tour.
Something like talking about waking up, going to work and start, and nobody start. And I'm gotten so tired.
We were never in any danger, but we did, you know, but yeah, we
So I actually